Next, let's also take a look at how to use dashboards to easily visualize key metrics and data from your workspace. So let's scroll all the way up here on the left side and click on dashboards. Then let's create our first dashboard by clicking on new dashboard. And here we can start from scratch and add all of the dashboard cards manually, or we can use one of the templates. So the simple dashboard is also available on the free plan. And just to see what the dashboard can look like, I'm going to use this template right here. So let's click on simple dashboard, and then we want to choose the data we want to visualize on our dashboard. So maybe we want to create a dashboard for the entire marketing space, or maybe we just want to create a dashboard for a specific list. So maybe let's say we want to create a dashboard for the blog planner as a blog dashboard. So let's just choose this and click on apply. And now we are in the new dashboard we've just created. So here we have a lot of data about this list, how many unassigned tasks we have, how many tasks are in progress, how many are completed. We can also add charts like total tasks by assignee, open tasks, workload status, and all different kinds of information we want to visualize here. We can also add more by clicking on add card and then see what kind of things they have available. Some of them are only for paid plans, but there's also some that you can add with the free plan as well. So maybe we're going to add something like workload by status, and maybe let's just add this card here. And this shows us kind of how many tasks are in what status. We can also increase or decrease the card size here just to customize the dashboard to whatever we want to see in it. And we can also get some more information just by clicking on different things on the card. So let's say we want to see all of the tasks which are currently in progress. We can just click on this blue bar right here and then immediately see all of the tasks which are in progress. We can also go to the in revision tasks here. We can also click on them and add comments, change things, and just do whatever you want with this task. So let's close this window again, this one also. And then let's go back to our dashboards, where we can see now we have our first dashboard created right here, which we should probably rename to something like blog post planner. Now, keep in mind that you're not limited to just one dashboard. So if you want to visualize different parts of your workspace, you can just create a separate dashboard for those things as well.